I am Ariba from English Point, and we all are sitting here to discuss about this language. And one thing I want to say that you have done very well that you have chosen this institution, because we all know that this language is so precious, means English language, and here there is nothing but environment of English language. Here when we come, then we find that everyone speaks in English, and we all know that for learning this language, what is necessary? For learning this language, a good environment is necessary, and which can make you to learn this language. So here I want to say that the thing you have done, that you have chosen this institution, this is very good institution. Of course, you can learn this language by the help of this institution, because we know that here different type of classes runs, and because of that type of class we can learn this language easily. And this language depends on environment, and here there is nothing but an English environment, so that we may learn this language. Here we all are looking that nowadays in every area this language is very demanded. Means if you have education but you have no English language, then there is no meaning of your education. Means this language will come in front of you as a ghost. If you don't know this language, then in future you will get a lot of problems. So we have to care that in anyhow we have to learn this language. You know? Okay. So I want to say that it doesn't matter that how much you have qualification. It is necessary that you have a skill or not. And this is also as a skill. The thing we all are learning, the thing we all are getting, this is as a skill. This one will come in your future as a magic. That the thing we have done in our past, that was so much necessary. And we all are looking that nowadays we all are getting this language only by the help of English Point, only by the help of your environment. So this one is so necessary that you have chosen this institution, and I am thankful to you that we all are coming here, and we all are understanding the importance of English. And of course one day you will do well, because this language will make you perfect. And what happens when we start to speak this language, then there we get a lot of confidence, and because of this language we can speak in front of anyone. It doesn't matter that what is person in front of us. Of course, we can speak in front of anyone because of this language. Because this language gives us confidence, and this language makes us a perfect person also. Because we know that the person who has good knowledge, the person who is doing well in his future, of course they have this language, because this language is so helpful for us, and because of this language we can do something well in our life. And we all know that this language will fulfill our education. So we have to care that at any cost we have to come here, we have to learn this language. So of course you can do something well in your future, because we have to be different, we have to be out of the box from others. And we all are looking that students are getting education, but they are not getting education properly. They are carrying on mathematics, they are carrying on science, but no one cares on English. But this is also a part of education. We have to care, we have to learn it, because if you don't know this language, then in future of course you will get a lot of problems. So you have to care that from now I have to learn this language, and I have to do well, because here we all know that we all are our future maker. We can make our future bright, because our future is in our hand. If you want to make your future bright, then of course you can make. For that, what is necessary? For that, education is necessary, and as well as English is also necessary. We all have not to avoid English, because if you know this language, if you have good qualification also, and if you have well education, then you can be a perfect person in a society. And what is the meaning of education? The real meaning of education, that because of education we can know that what is the best way for surviving our life, what is the best way to take decision. So because of these all things we can make our life so beautiful. If you want to live your life luxurious, if you want to live your life in a beautiful way, then of course you have to care on those all things. So I have means I have make you understand. Maybe you all are getting my point. So if if you would like to ask some of the question, then ask.
I have a question.
Okay.
What we should do for commanding on this language?
First, we all know that this language demands practice, and this language demands environment also. First, we all have to choose a good environment where we can learn this language, and we all know that means in English point we all get totally English environment. If you come here regular, then of course you can learn this language, and you can command this language on this language also. Because for commanding this language, what is necessary? For commanding this language, speaking is necessary. And here we come, then we get chance to speak. We listen someone also, and because of these all things, these all things, we can be the best in English. So maybe you are getting my point.
Yes, thank you.